Welcome back. So in this video we will discuss about for loop. So what is the difference between while loop and for loop and why we are using for loop? So in last video I told you how to print the number from 1 to 100. So I write the code here in 4 lines. You can see here I'm using 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines. We can minimize it using for loop. How? It's very easy. Syntax is you need to write for, this is keyword, I, this is a variable, in range. Range will return a list. Here you can see return a list containing an arithmetic progression of integers. So suppose here I will write 100, so it will return a list of 100 elements from 0 to 99. And how for loop will work? So this I will iterate through that list. I will tell you. So just try to run this program. You can see the output from 0 to 99, but not the actual value. I want to print from 1 to 100. How I can print? Here you can supply value 1 comma. So it will start, this is a starting point. It will start from 1 to 100. But it will return till 99. So if I will make here 101, then it will print the same output. If you have any confusion regarding range function, so you can visit my previous lectures, so you can see how range will work. So range will return the list of elements which is having from 1 to 100. Here I will show you how it will work. So print range 1 to 10 I want to print, so it will return the list of elements which is having from 1 to 9. Using range we can solve one problem in easy manner. So the problem is find out odd or even numbers in a given range. So range is till 50. So from 1 to 50 I want to know what are the odd numbers or what are the even numbers. It's very easy. Let's say you need to apply one for loop I in range from 1 to 50, so till 51. Then it will divide by 2. So you can see here, if I will scroll on it, so range start and element, for example, here is steps, how many steps you want. So 2 steps I want to skip, or it will divide by 2. Then print I. Why I am using here I or without any bracket? I am not calling print function here, I am using print built-in. So let's say the output is 13579 till 49. So it will return like that. If you want to print the even numbers, you can just add 1 into this I and it will return you the output 2468 till 50. So in this manner you can print the odd or even numbers. It's very easy in Python, and if you will write the code in C or Java, it will be big code. Now how we can iterate for loop in string? In the last lecture I told you we will iterate with number, string, tuple, list and dictionary and boolean. So how all the built-ins will work for loop? So in number I told you. So for a string, let's have a look how we can use a string. Suppose we are having some string name equals Rohan Sharma, and I want to iterate each alphabet of this string using for loop. It's very easy. See, for I, so this variable will iterate always in a list. What happen if I will use here length name and just print I, as usually we are printing in while loop. You can see here also. So in while we are using length directly. So if we will use here length, will it work? Let's see the output. Type error. Int object is not iterable. What is the meaning? Meaning is length will return the length of this string. So in integer we can't iterate it. If we want to iterate this variable, we need a list object. So what is the function we are having which will return list? That is range. So range, if you will pass here range, will it work? Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the index of this string. So if we want to print the value of this index, how we can print? You can see the output now. Output is very interesting. So one by one you can iterate. Rohan Sharma. Why we are not having R? Where is the R? R is here. Okay. So one by one we can use. It's very easy to use. How we will work with the list? So in while loop I told you tuples. So how we can use the for loop in list, or how we can iterate the elements using for loop. Suppose we are having one list that is fruit and having the value is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these values, and this is having a list. So in same manner you can use like for I in range. Why we are using range? Now you can predict it, and the length of the object is fruits. So in same manner for triples also you can use, and just print the index. If you want to print the index, then need to print I only. If you print the value, then you have to give the index of fruit, index of the value. So it will print 1 4 5 6. You can see the output 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in this manner we can iterate the elements in list. In dictionary also we can use for loop. If you will see the lecture regarding dictionary, in that one I told you how to iterate our dictionary using keys and all. So now we will move to the matrix application.